We'll guide you through how to make a level 30 enchantment room in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do so you can get access to the high enchantment levels. So first of all, I recommend the room be at least 7 by 7. That's going to go and fit the design we're working with in this video. Now what you're going to need is at least 15 bookshelves. That's the minimum to get this. And then what you can do is we can start by placing 3. Then go 90 degrees and place another 3, another 90 degrees and place 3 like so. And then on the sides, you need to add an extra layer. So it goes and looks something like this. Now in the middle point here, that is where you can go and place your enchanting table like so. Now, if you really like the aesthetics, you can go and add another layer of bookshelves at the back, but it's not necessary. So now just to go and show the enchantment level, we can right click on the enchanting table, place in the pickaxe with some lapis, and as you can see, we've got the level 30 Unbreaking 3 enchantment, which I can click on and apply.